Guys, it is now time for another channel giveaway. This one is going to be given away when we hit 3,300 subscribers when I'm doing the video today. And for those new to the channel or going to be new to the channel, this is called Project Freeo Revo. I went to a swap meet, bought a whole bunch of stuff from a whole bunch of people, and somebody gave me a Revo chassis. So basically, that Revo kind of started out something very similar to this. It was just not much to it. But you guys like, here man, take this thing. And we went from that to this. So let's explain what this is. So if you're wondering how you get this from this, I'm going to show you, me and the pimp hand. First, how do you guys like that new stand? This guy up here's got one. Well, I wanted one too. And real quick guys, you see that camera right there? That's a new Insta360. Between me, that guy up there, hybrid, and do RC, I think I've got it figured out how to use that thing. But so this will be the last video we're going to play with on my iPhone. All right guys, so the first thing this thing got, it got a power up. So it's got a brand new TRX 3.3 in it. Also, I went ahead and eventually put a brand new transmission in it. So that is a brand new $150 Revo 2-speed reversing transmission. Yeah guys, I know this is a 3.3 T-Max, but it's also brand new and also 150 bucks. Now from Dave off eBay, brand new fuel tank. She's got brand new links all the way around. It's also got brand new 2075 steering servos in it. I got a brand new 2056 throttle servo. I got a brand new 2065A shift servo inside this box. We did a new air filter on it. We did, let's see, brand new wheels and tires. I went to my Traxxas store and I picked up brand new dry shafts for 12 bucks a piece. So we got those in there. I did brand new bumpers on this thing. And also I did brand new body mounts and bulkheads. Brand new Easy Start harness. Dave also hooked me up with a Easy Start that I've had forever. I was on a Revo kick. Then I mentioned bumpers, front bulkheads, all new body mounts on this thing. I put a brand new Traxxas carbon fiber wing on it, and they don't make this wing mount anymore, so I stole it off of one of my other cars. Now for the radio, I installed the Traxxas Link TQI. Now when I say Traxxas Link, I put a Bluetooth module in this thing. So whoever gets this thing, you go on the Traxxas website, you download their Traxxas Link app, and you could adjust all kinds of stuff in your electronics. So the point of this stuff, guys, everything works in this car. The gyro works, it shifts the way it's supposed to, the OptiDrive works as it's supposed to. This car runs pretty good. I'm gonna fire it up real quick. All right guys, so let me show you where I'm at with the tune on this thing. So it's about 78, 79 degrees in the shop right now. It's early in the morning. I have yet to turn the AC on, but here's my thermometer. So this guy is, let me show you this. We are 77 degrees. So this thing is stone cold. So let's see how she runs. I would say our tune is pretty good. So I got 3 tanks through this thing. That half tank is the one that I haven't ran through yet, so that'll be 4 tanks once that one's done. This car is ready to go. But let me show you what you guys are going to get in this giveaway. So what you're going to get this car as you see it. You ain't getting the stand, that's my stand. You're going to get the radio. It's got fresh double A's in there. It's got a fresh Turnigy 1600 milliamp receiver pack in there. You're going to get everything you see here, and also I'm going to throw in all the accessories that came, like the extra air filter, the cantilevers, the charger, all the tools, the extra body clips that came with this Revo that I just unboxed on the channel and ran. Because to me, to get the Revo experience is you got to have a good one, and I'll tell you what, tit for tat, this guy runs like this guy, but I'm just going to go ahead and say this guy just looks a little bit better with that truggy body in the wing. You're also going to get this box. Why are you going to get this box? Because it's going to be a whole lot easier to take this dog right here and pop his wing off and put him in this box and ship it to you than it is to wrap it in bubble wrap. And why is there a brand new Team-X 2500? Well, we're gonna get that one in a little bit, but that video is gonna come out a little bit later on today. So guys, this is how this is gonna work. In this video, you're gonna drop the words Freeo Revo. Once you do that, and you are subscribed, I'm gonna issue you a number. Now I realize this is supposedly gonna be the Freeo Revo 3300 subscriber giveaway, but I'm gonna make an exception to that. This ends February 1st. At the end of February 1st, I set the video on private, I make sure everybody's got a number, and then I pick the number. And then whoever's got that number, if you qualify, you win. Now let's talk rules. Rules are simple. You gotta be in the lower 48, which means no Alaska, no Hawaii, lower 48 states. The exception is Canada. If you're in Canada and you're willing to pay the shipping, I will ship it to Canada. The other rules are simple. You gotta be over 18. You gotta be a subscriber. You gotta put the words Freevo Revo in the comments, because again, that comment is you're gonna be issued a number based on the order in which the comments come in. At February 1st, we go ahead and shut it off. We go ahead and do a video, and I might try to do my first live with that one. And then we pick the winner. If you're in the lower 48, I cover the shipping. If you're not, if you're in Canada, you cover the shipping. So the game plan is, guys, I'm going to put this video out there today. Get cracking on it. We've got, what is today, the 4th? So we've got 27 days to reach 3,300. Now, if we don't reach 3,300, it don't matter. February 1st, this thing gets given away. Now, here's my second caveat. If by some miracle of God, I make it to 3,300 subscribers by the end of the month, I'm going to give you the choice of Freeo Revo or this guy right here. This is a Revo that on New Year's Day, I unboxed it, I went through it, I ran it. This thing's got 3 tanks to it right now, and she is running fantastic. But if we hit the 3,300, you get choice of either one. You're still gonna get the same box, obviously, but you're gonna get either this car or the Freeo Revo. But listen, guys, get subscribed, get into this thing, because like I said, I enjoy building these things. I'm out of room, and they might as well benefit you guys the way they benefit me, which is smiles on my face.